Hi, my name is Chris, and it's my first time to vlog after constant prodding from my friends that I should vlog about the things that I buy. And for my first entry, it's actually a bag that I bought 2 days ago, and it's from Burberry, London. This bag, I bought it out of impulse. I just don't have any plans of buying stuff for the whole year, as I've already made a promise earlier this year that I should be only buying one major luxury object, if I must say, for like the whole year. And anyway, promises are made to be broken, right? So let's get on with the unboxing. Actually, let's just pretend that this is unboxing because I've already unboxed this 2 days ago after I got home from the store. So it comes in a Burberry brown box and a lime greenish dust bag. I don't know if it's even lime green. Anyway, this is the leather and vintage check note crossbody bag. So with regards to this bag, it's actually 9.8 inches in diameter and 3.3 inches in width, and the height is 7.1 inches. It comes with a magnetic closure in gold hardware. And it's quite safe. I mean, it's not easy to open. And you can actually feel if there's a pickpocket or something like that. And by numbers, you would think that this bag is actually small, but it can actually pack quite a lot. I mean, the interior is kind of roomy, and the lining is made out of the vintage check pattern of the Burberry. Their house check, I must say. And there's a back pocket where you can store your cards, your keys, and other small trinkets, and same with the front pocket. Now, the strap of the bag has Burberry embroidered on it, and also in gold hardware and the same leather detail on both ends. I really cannot make a review about the bag yet because I haven't worn this and it's just fresh from the store, 2 days fresh from the store. So I think the reason why I bought it, actually this is from the 2017 line if I'm not mistaken, and I've been putting this on hold for the longest time. I've been wanting this ever since it came out because I just don't know if it could go with my outfit. So yeah, I think it's one of those bags that you can just carry around and then throw it away after, because let's be honest, there are bags that you have to like baby, like some of my bags, most of it actually, and then this one is very casual, and there are actually 3 ways to wear it. You can wear it crossbody by just lengthening the strap this way, and then over the shoulder and just putting it in its shortest length, or you can wear it as a clutch like this, like most of those street style vloggers do. Pardon me. So that's just about it. I think my next entry would be reviews of the bags that I've purchased before, the wear and tear, and how it holds after like 6 months or maybe a year, because some of them are like a year old or something like that. And maybe soon I'll be doing a review about this bag and how it held up for like 3 months or so. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe. Thanks. Ciao.